We have this Bertazzoni gas range. The customer's complaint is that it's not maintaining its temperature, it's not working properly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. This is the thermostat control knob that you can turn it, and it turns on the stove. So the way these units are working, it's very important to understand that this unit uses thermocouple. So in order for the burner to stay on, the thermocouple has to get warm, gets a little bit hot, and then after that it keeps the flame on. And the same thing, we also have thermocouple on the top here. This is the thermocouple, this is the igniter. So the way it works is that once you turn it on from the knob here, let me see. So I'm gonna show you this one. If I turn it on, it comes on, but it doesn't stay on. And the same thing happens in inside of the stove. So what you can do is turn it on and hold it. You have to hold it for a couple of seconds until the thermocouple gets hot. Once the thermocouple gets hot, after that it stays on the whole time. She was saying when she turns it on like that, she expects it to work. It's not gonna work like that. So what you can do is when you turn on the stove, you have to kind of hold it. It keeps sparking and you have flame inside at the same time. And then after that you can select your temperature. Your oven is gonna stay on. You can see it here. Let me check here. You can actually hear the flame. Now you can select your temperature. You see the flame right here. That blue part is the flame. So the stove works perfectly fine. It's just the way that she needs to hold this knob for a couple of seconds extra. And if you do this and your stove is a little bit older and you are still having problem, please call for service, and the technician would most likely come and replace thermocouples that they kind of look like this. There's one at the bottom right there. Another one is right here for the broil. And common problem on these units are the bake. That's not working.